I'm gonna try to make it through this. I have a scratchy throat and a sore nose, but I wanted to tell you thank you so much for all of my subscribers, everyone that comments on my videos, likes my videos, watches my videos. Even if you don't comment, share, or subscribe, or like, I know you're there. So thank you for watching my videos, and even those of you that unlike my videos, and some of you, the ones that I know are doing it on purpose. Thank you too, because that always helps my videos. YouTube loves signals, and that just gives me another signal. So thank you for watching my video, unliking it, liking it, whatever you do. It all helps me. So moving on, I am so excited to say that I finally have 500 subscribers. It is not really a big number, but since I kind of changed a few of my methods, and that was something that I was trying to aim for, was more subscribers, it is a hurdle for me. So yay, I have reached that, and I couldn't have done it without you all watching. So thank you for watching my channel, subscribing, commenting, liking, unliking. Like I said, if I could share anything with you, it would be, how did I get to 500 subscribers? How long did it take me to get there? What are some things that I would do different and change? I've got a lot of that coming up really soon. I don't know if any of you know, but there's a big month coming up on YouTube, and I might be part of it. So stay tuned and subscribe. I've done a lot of test and trial methods, and I have blogged, vlogged, talked about many different topics. You can go through my channel and see some of them, and then there's a bunch of them that I deleted because they had nothing to do with my channel and probably will never have anything to do with my channel. But it actually took me making those videos and seeing how people responded, or like my content dropping, for me to say, wow, they didn't really like that. So you won't know until you put something out there. And whenever it comes to putting something out there, honestly, it sounds so cliche, everybody says it, but if you will talk about a niche, even if you talk about like business and branding, like what if you talked about business and branding for real estate agents? Business and branding for photographers. Niche, meaning in a very small topic area, a very small group, those people are going to be talking and commenting on your content more, and it honestly will grow faster than you think because you're going to be dominating a smaller area of interest and growing from there. I probably can niche down on my channel a little bit more, but I have some other things in the works that, like I said, are going to be coming up. So those all have a role to play, and kind of like where my name came from and why I branded myself instead of like branded a business, because I actually do have a business off of YouTube. I've mentioned this before. I sell products on Amazon. I have a product that I actually manufacture, and I have my book coming out, so I'm super excited to announce that. It's kind of on the low. There are some pre-sales, so I'll put a link below if you're watching, actually below, somewhere down below. So you can check that out. If you're on here, since you're part of my 500 squad, I'm telling you first, so you get to know. That's a little surprise. I haven't really told too many people about that. I did mention it on the channel, but it's actually on pre-sale, so ding ding ding, the book's on pre-sale. You can pick it up down below, which means that it will be coming out within the next 90 days. I am excited to see that happen. What else? Consistency and creating content on a consistent basis, really just creating content about whatever you're talking about. I would create content around a topic area. If you're talking about branding, like on my channel, you can talk about the fonts that people use, you can talk about the colors that people use, you can talk about their name, their logo. Those are all things that have to do with branding. If you're talking about, one of my other favorite topics is RVing. So if I wanted to talk about RVing, I might talk about how to finance an RV, how to get insurance, boondocking. That's a really random term that most people probably don't know. But if you're in the RV industry, you would know what boondocking is, and that would make sense to you. So that's why I say, if you talk in a very niche area and create content around whatever it is that you're going to be selling, even if you don't know what you're going to be selling, if you'll create content around that topic area, you'll start to get a feel for what people like, what they don't like, and get feedback for it. Oh, and as far as a content calendar, I actually made a video with a content calendar. The one that I use, I kind of tweak it over time or month to month. I've tried to expand that and update it. If you've had issues downloading it or dealing with it, please let me know. But I'll put a link to that video down below. That's really about creating content, finding your niche, and sticking to like a topic area about whatever you're selling. But second, let's run through these. What's working for others? You want to see what's working for others, and that would also probably work for you. So doing research before you ever hit record, and then even if you hit record, make sure that you do research to see what people are searching for before you upload your video, because you want to keyword your video through all the things that I mentioned. Titles, descriptions, tags, even your metadata, which is the data before you ever upload your video to YouTube. Yes, there's data before you upload to YouTube. Very important. Keywords. Quantity over quality. I made a video about this, I don't know, maybe back at Christmas sometime. I'll put a link to that down below. It's all about putting content out there. You're never gonna know what works if you don't put it out there. So how can you focus on quality if you don't put anything out there to know what is working, to say, hey, it sucks? If nobody says it sucks, you don't know to make it better. If they all say, oh, it's great, then you're not gonna make it better because you think, oh, I did a great job, they really like it. Quantity versus quality. Honestly, in the beginning, I would say focus on quantity and getting your videos out there, even if it's just a vlog style or behind the scenes or documenting, or maybe you share a couple videos a week. One is really like homemade and very behind the scenes, and then another one can be very over the top, great editing, and then I don't know, maybe you do a follow-up, which is a live video every week, or a Q&A. Those are all kind of things that I've thought about doing. If that's something you're interested in, please comment below. I'd love to hear what you want to hear on this channel, because how did I get these subscribers? You're watching my content. You obviously want to hear something from me, and if you don't, I don't know why you're here other than to be entertained, and I didn't know that I was that entertaining, but thank you for sticking around just to stick around. It'd be nice if you actually commented and told me what you want to watch or see, or if there is something else that you're struggling with. We all struggle with stuff, okay? We all struggle. Oh, and pre-film. Make sure to pre-film. I would also call it bulk filming. Think about when they do a TV series. They don't film it day by day by day. They film it months in advance, sometimes a year in advance, and then they work on an editing schedule, and they're always editing, and then during the editing phase, the marketing team is marketing. So there's a lot that goes into actual video editing and making, and when you get like a voice like mine, or your nose is stopped up, or you can't breathe, having pre-film is a really good way to be able to share your content even when you're not feeling like making content. Or what if something comes up and you didn't have time to film that week or that day? You really want to have your content prepared. I can't tell you how many YouTube creators I see say, oh, I'm sorry, I haven't posted in a while, something came up. Like, well, if you would have had pre-film content, it doesn't matter if something comes up. You still put it out there. Even if people are watching or not watching, you still need to be putting content out there. Especially in the beginning, you're not going to know who's watching. I don't want to murder any names, and I don't want anybody to say, like, I didn't mention you. So maybe I'll do a follow-up video to this. But I did want to get this video out today because I'm so excited about hitting this goal. I've worked really hard to get here, to hit these 500 subscribers, and it's just really exciting. 4, focus on the end goal. This was something that I kind of did on and off, and I didn't really do very well. I was focusing on subscribers versus email list subscribers, like subscribers on YouTube that subscribe to my channel versus email list subscribers, which is what I try to go for on YouTube. I will bring people off my videos onto my email list and market them that way. That can work good and bad. YouTube obviously wants you to keep people on YouTube, so you want to relate to other videos. Like I've mentioned, oh, I had a social content calendar video, or oh, I made a video about quality over quantity. Those are really important to put people back to your content and keep them on the channel. Getting people to watch your videos or even other people's videos on YouTube is really important if they're related to your video. Maybe it's a competitor's video. And then focus on what you're focused on, which is your end goal. Are you trying to sell a book or a product? Are you trying to get people on your email list? Or are you trying to get more subscribers? Are you trying to get more watch time? I mean, you should look at all of them, but you can't outweigh one and put all your focus on that. So if you're focused on getting email subscribers off of YouTube, then you can't be focused on how many subscribers you're getting on YouTube as well, because if you're trying to pull people off of YouTube and then you're also trying to get them to subscribe on YouTube, it's kind of like asking them to do two different things. Not that they can't get on your email list and watch your videos on YouTube, that's the whole point. But you're not just creating the videos on YouTube to have people come watch your content for free and make money off YouTube, because honestly, you're not really going to get paid anything from YouTube. So let's just be real. Minimal. Very minimal. Last but not least, leverage your social media. Go to Twitter, go to Facebook, go to Instagram, say, hey, I have a new video up, and promote it. And then if you see other people and they have their videos up, maybe you can promote theirs as well. Connect with creators, connect with your subscribers. Go find them on other social media. Look at their channels. See where their links are. Make sure that you put your social media links not only in the description of your videos, but also on your channel, where you can add your channel links to your social media, websites, whatever else that you want to add. That's it. That's really it. I can't get better without you, and you have to think of why I even make the videos. I make these videos to help other businesses and entrepreneurs and people that reach out to me, that ask me questions, my clients, people that ask me questions about their channels. Yes, I hear you. Yes, I'm listening to you. I can't always answer your questions. I'm so sorry. I do try to reach out to everybody, but I do run a business and I am writing a book. And that's why I make these videos, to hopefully help you on your journey. Until next time, I want to hear what you want to hear from me. So yes, comment below. Let me know what you want to hear from me. I'm Brandi of blogginbrandi.com, where you can find tons of free resources to help you brand your business. Thank you so much for all of my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do that. We've got a lot of fun stuff coming up, and if you comment below, who knows, you may be featured in my next video.